Now I'm making the shelf for the coat rack, which is right there. And instead of doing miter cuts, I'm gonna try a new way and cut this little section out, and then just have it sit in there, kind of like that. So I'll have that going, and we'll hopefully that works. So there's a little bit of a gap, but that's fine. It actually worked out pretty well, better than I thought it would. So I'm gonna weld that together right now. Alright, so it's all welded together now. I'm gonna grind it off, and if there's any missed welds or anything, I'll just tack it. It's not a big deal. So, yep, hopefully this works. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, so didn't have to tack anything because I didn't have any holes in it. So now I'm going to test fit it and see if I need to add a back piece to the shelf for the frame or not. I haven't really decided yet. So I probably will put a back piece because I cut it to sit kind of on the edge and not fully in the middle of the shelf or the fucking rack. So I'm going to cut a piece that is shelf is done for now. Where the metal part is. Okay, so the shelf is 3 inches from the bottom, so I can add some hooks for the coat rack. I'm gonna weld that together right in here and around the edge. Oh fuck. And probably gonna grind those welds off just so it looks better. Or if I lay some sick beads, I'll just leave them. Not, we'll see what happens. So there it is. You know, I think it looks better that way, but some people like to leave their welds and, you know, to each their own, but it looks like it's all one for the most part. Well, at least when it's painted, it looks like it is. So pretty much just, I grind it down, I take down like half the weld, and then I flip it over. Usually I flip the piece over, but since this doesn't stand up on its own, since it's too heavy this way now, I just did it upside down.